Hey everyone, it's Carrie with a Pinch of Salt, and I'm showing you the April subscription box to our Pinch of Creativity Club. This month we are creating this adorable flower barn and flower truck. Both sides are reversible. With your assortment of flowers, you can put them wherever you'd like. I did use a brush. If you have paint pens, they would work great too. The sponges, if you use just the corner of them, you can paint around the vases very easily. I just went in and filled in the flowers and then added like details later, maybe like the center of the flowers. I did do a little dry brushing with the brown paint on the barn to make it look a little rustic and vintage. All of the accent pieces I painted brown, and I did use a wet sponge so that some of the pieces look stained, like the signs for the front of the barn and truck. There is a little shelf that goes in the window that sits at the top that is right here. And then you'll have plants that like sit on the top of that shelf, so it will stick out. Again, you can put your flowers wherever you'd like. As I'm painting, I usually set them out so I can see where everything goes, and then I'll go back in and glue. And I did use the ledge of that stand to make sure that my flowers were even, because you want the small part of the barn, the bottom, to have space to fit into the slots, if that makes sense. The truck, I just painted the same colors of the barn. I did hold the wheel wells up onto the truck as I painted the inside of the tires, the darker color, the dark brown, because that is what worked for me. So just like that. You can paint your flowers again, like however you like. These two flowers are reversible. They meet back to back. So I would recommend using those flowers for that truck just because they're the same on both sides. So no matter how you flip the truck, they will be equal to each other. So same thing again, I dry brushed a little bit of brown paint on top of this one as well. I glued everything on to the front side first, then glued the other truck on and added the reversible side of the plants after I finished this part. I did go back in and add just a little accent piece and accent dry brushing to the truck after I had it all painted. And this is what it looks like when it is all together. Hope you enjoyed creating this kit, and I can't wait to see yours.